Stigma is a thing where mess up a lot of people's life. Stigma is a thing where tarnish people character.
Me don't think you fi have a man, a cane roll, a plot, a twist, or nothing like that to your ear because it's not customary, bro.
Bro, we in our society now where it is no longer minority. Everybody basically kind of equal now. And you see, you have to understand this. You have to understand this. Nowadays, more women are taking on jobs where men been a do. And guess what man have to start do? Man have to start taking some of the jobs them where women been a do. You're in our society now where you can't get no work as an engineer and you have this trade. You prefer dead fi hungry than fi do the skill where you know at hand. Or what you would do? You know in yourself say you're an engineer at art. You go to school to be an engineer. But to all times ago, you can't get no engineering job. But you can cane out here and you can twist here.
No.
What would you do?
That's not manly, bro.
Dog,
that is not manly.